Hey there, this is how to change the color of an object in PhotoPea. So first thing you need to do is just open up your project and let me just zoom in so we can see better. And now I want to change the color of this butterfly from blue to green, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this half circle icon right here. Then I'm going to click on Hue and Saturation. Then right click on Hue and Saturation. Click on Clipping Mask. Then you're gonna click the range. So there's gonna be this drop down of the colors. So just select the color that's closest to the color that you want to change. So this is a blue color. I'll just click on blue. And then I'll click on sample hue. Then I will just sample the color that I want to change. Then I can just use these sliders to change the color. So I want it to be green. Let's just slide this till, yep, that sounds about right. And then I'll change the saturation itself, maybe the lightness. And now it's a green butterfly. So this is how to change the color of an object in PhotoPea. Hope that video was helpful.